Commercial Real Estate Investing, a Beginner's Guide. Welcome to Affluence Online, the place to learn about investing and managing your finances. The financial industry greats will be the first to tell you that real estate investing has the potential to bring in serious profits. They will also gleefully inform you that the risks in some cases far outweigh the potential, especially if they are among the more cautious investors in the industry. Those who have made their fortunes in real estate, however, will tell you that investing in real estate is worth every ounce of risk when you manage to work through the rough patches and find your way to real estate investing fortunes. Before we walk through commercial real estate, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. We share tips on how to build wealth every single week. Commercial real estate is somewhat unique among real estate investment types. This type of real estate requires a high investment to get into the game, much higher than most residential property, and poses equally great risk depending on what you plan to do with your commercial real estate investment. Of course, you will find more than a few options for your commercial real estate investment that many investors find appealing. Most investors find leasing office or building space to be the safest route to take when it comes to real estate investing. They feel that this is a relatively steady source of income because most businesses prefer to keep their locations as long as possible. Smart business owners are well aware that customers, clients, and vendors need to be able to find them in order to do business with them, and for this reason prefer to keep their business in the same location whenever possible rather than re-establishing themselves in different locations year after year. Commercial real estate investing is a bit of a different animal than traditional residential real estate that many of us are more familiar or comfortable with. You will need to do a lot of research before jumping in with both feet with this particular sort of real estate investment. Commercial real estate investments can take on many forms, from shopping malls to business and industrial complexes to skyscrapers and high-rise condos. You will find all manner of commercial real estate interests. Whether your interests lie in business or personal types of commercial real estate, there are significant profits that stand to be made. Unfortunately, beginners often find the path to commercial real estate investment laden with thorns. You will need a massive contribution to fund your real estate investment pursuits, and it is probably best if you can find a group of investors in order to share some of the risks. Real estate in and of itself is a high-risk venture. Commercial real estate bears little more of the risk in the beginning. However, once you're established and people, particularly investors, know your name, you will find the path to real estate wealth is much easier obtained through commercial real estate if you play your cards right than many other types of real estate investing. To create even bigger profits, it is often best to work as part of a team of investors when it comes to commercial real estate investing. Not only does this approach spread out the risk to some degree, but also helps find the good buys, splits the workload, creates an environment of ideas, and allows you to bounce those ideas off one another. It is a great idea for those who are looking to build a prosperous future in the field of commercial real estate investing, and can be extremely profitable for all involved. Commercial real estate investing can be extremely intimidating if you allow it to be. Avoid putting yourself in a situation where you feel out of control or completely uncomfortable for your first commercial real estate investment. But if you have the means, the price is right, The deal appears to be solid and you feel you are ready for the challenge, commercial real estate profits can be a serious motivation. If you want to learn more about real estate investing, check out the Rich Dad Summit. It's a 2-day online seminar from Robert Kiyosaki that features the tools and blueprint you need to create passive income for life. For a limited time only, you can get 2 days of training for only $1. Don't miss out. The link is in the description below. Thank you for spending some time with Affluence Online. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We also handpick these videos that we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.